Hello friends, welcome to the RSK-Code tutorials. I hope you like the Java 8 features video. Now let's talk about next versions of Java. Most important thing to note here is that following Java 8, Oracle changed the versioning and releases of Java. After Java 8, there are two types of versions. STS, also known as short-term support versions, which comes after every 6 months. Second is LTS, also known as long-term support versions, which comes after every 2 years. Now, after Java 8, the next LTS versions are Java 11, 17, and Java 21 as per now. Now, let's talk about next Java versions. Java 9, it was introduced in September 2017. First feature in Java 9 was module system, also known as Project Jigsaw. This was a major feature of Java 9. It was the introduction of Java Platform Module System (JPMS). It aimed to modularize the JDK itself and provide a standardized way to create and consume modules in Java applications. Java 9 introduced JShell, a read eval print loop (REPL) for Java. It provides an interactive way to evaluate declarations, statements, and expressions. Compact strings improve the storage of strings in memory to reduce their memory footprints. Java 9 added methods to process builder class for controlling and managing native process for more efficiently to enhance the process API. Java.NET.HTTP package was introduced in Java 9 to support HTTP2 and WebSocket technologies. In Java 9, the applet class, which was a part of original Java applet architecture, it was deprecated. Next version in Java is Java 10, which it was introduced in March 2018. Java 10 introduced local variable type inference, allowing the use of where keyword to declare local variable with inferred types. Java 10 consolidated JDK source code into a single unified repository. In Java 10, a new clean and modular garbage collector interface was introduced to improve the source code isolation of different garbage collectors. Java 10 introduced parallel full GC for G1. G1 was first garbage collector. It was enhanced with a parallelized full garbage collection algorithm. In Java 10, application class data sharing improved the app CDS feature for more efficient application startup. Java 10 introduced the Graal JIT compiler, which is a experimental just-in-time compiler. It also introduced thread local handshakes, a mechanism for improving the performance of thread local storage operations. With Java 10, it marked the adoption of a time-driven release versioning strategy with a new feature release every 6 months. In September 2018, Java 11 was introduced. It was the second long-term support after Java 8. In Java 11, it has introduced local variable syntax for lambda parameters. It added new utility methods in string class. It added a new read string and write string method in file class. Also, it added dynamic class file constants, running Java file with single command, nest-based access control, new HTTP client with support of HTTP1 and HTTP2. It added Epsilon, a no-op garbage collector. It also added flight recorder and mission control. In next video, we will talk about these features in more detail with some examples. Thank you.